Good morning, all of you. Myself, Sandeep Parashar, and I'm welcoming you in online classes, computer class, 10th class. Nowadays, we are reading part A. In this, we are reading our first unit, communication skill. In last class, I told you session first, method of communication. I told you we have three types of communication method: verbal, non-verbal, and visual. In this, I already told you verbal communication has two types: oral communication and written communication. Oral communication means wherever we speak. Written communication means wherever we write anything on the paper or anywhere. In today's class, we will read written communication. So, our topic is written communication. Written communication means communication through written words. Writing is more valid and reliable than speech. Effective writing involves a careful choice of word, correct organization of word in a sentence, as well as the cohesive composition of sentence. Written communication is extensively used for official purpose, as it creates a permanent record of evidence and can be saved for later use. It enables receiver to take more time in reviewing the message and providing proper feedback. What is the type of written communication? Letters, report, memos, circular, questionnaires, manuals. These days, messenger like WhatsApp, email, etc. are also used by people. What is the advantage? Advantage is we can take it as a feedback, and we can't take verbal communication, oral communication as a evidence na. After sometimes we can't find out what somebody speak. Tips to improve written communication: expand your vocabulary and learn new words. If you are going to write anything, everything is correct, so you need to improve your vocabulary. Learn to spell word correctly. Read regularly. Whenever we read regularly, our written communication is increasing in good way. Improve your grammar and use appropriate tense and correct punctuation. Normally, whenever we write application to the father makes some mistakes. For correction, because all of you make some mistakes in the application. Always write text keeping your audience in mind. Whenever you write, think about audience, whatever they feel, how they read. Verbal communication is classified into two types: interpersonal communication and intrapersonal communication. Our first is intrapersonal communication. This form of communication is extremely private. It is undertaken to reflect upon or appropriate something. It includes the silent conversation we have with ourselves. We simultaneously switch role between a sender and a receiver. This type of communication occurs when we consciously appropriate something beautiful, rehearse a message, intend for other, or write a diary or a personal journal. Intrapersonal, it means it happened only in us. Whenever we think something, this is intrapersonal. Whenever we are going to write anything, we discuss with ourselves. Sometimes we think in our mind whatever we are going to do it, and what we do and how we do, we think in our mind. This is intrapersonal. Interpersonal, in this form of communication, information is exchanged between two individuals, means two friends, two companies. To communicate effectively, the two individuals involved interchange their role of sender and receiver repeatedly. Sometimes I am sender, sometimes I am receiver. It is the most common type of communication which occur when we talk with our friend, family, or relations. It can be categorized further based on the number of participants. Dyadic communication. This type of communication takes place between two people. It is happened only in two peoples, like two friends, teacher and students, two friends talking face to face, or two business colleagues using a telephone or an email. Small group communication. In this, whenever we make a small group and we exchange our thought, this is known as a small group communication. It allows each participant to interact and converse with the rest. In this case, only one person speak at time and the other listen. Public communication. This type of communication takes place when one individual address a large gathering of people. Public speeches are an example of whenever father give the speech. This is known as public communication. Function of verbal communication. What is the usage and what is the advantage of verbal communication? Verbal communication serve various purposes in our daily life. It enable people to symbolically represent object, ideas, place, and so on. For example, using the word dog is a lot easier than getting down on all four and acting like a dog. Yeah. Sometimes verbal is easy, sometimes act is easy. Communication. Some of the functions of verbal communications are as follows. What is the advantage and what? Okay. Help us maintain relationship. It is through verbal communication and other symbolic activities that relationships are developed and maintained. Whenever we communicate verbally with another person, a group or an audience, and relationship is initiated. Sometimes whenever we feel bad, when we need to talk with anyone, this is the best way of relationship. Whenever two friends are fighting, after that some misunderstanding happened, then talk each other. Help us organize complex ideas and experience into a meaningful categories. Sometimes anybody has too much experience, so they give the experience through the verbal active. Help us define reality. It is used to define reality, what is going on. Sometimes a story comes in the book, this is fairy tales, stories, but reality speak through the verbal words. Help us think. It is allow us to think about anything. Without verbal communication, we could not function as thinking being. We use it to reason, communicate, and develop our memories through language. Can be used to reward and punish. Sometimes we are feeling happy with anyone, we just praise him. Sometimes we feeling angry, then we give them, scold on them, hurt them. This is reward and punishment. Stay at home, stay safe. One more thing, no need to make two copy. This is part of your book, so make it part in your copy. Thank you.